Here's a little cicada. Who's a good boy? They're pretty frozen right now, so
that's good.
they're kind of hard, which yeah.
Ew.
There's people over there.
Don't judge us. Put the wings back in the bucket.
Back in the bucket.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want them to fertilize your grass?
I think I'm positive.
Italian and Mexican food here. It's like, oh, I like Italian, I like Mexican. Oh,
You're filming it now.
well, at wherever you,
Just like stuff.
wherever we are,
Yeah.
like, well, here you can have both of them.
I was just kind of like sticking them in a little bit of the cheese. Like they're coming out of the plates, coming out of the woodwork.
They've been de-weaned.
I feel like everything you say is like a National Geographic. Oh man, I got the
cicadas.
I got the white trash
De-weaned.
facial hair thing going on right now for the behind the scenes.
And one was,
It
one
could.
was Italian. And then
Y'all need
I was just
anything,
saying,
holler.
switch. Well,
Cicadas on a taco. My favorite.
those guys' little whiskers.
That's just gross. That's the gross thing I've ever seen. Get into that. Get your reaction to this.
Shoot a talk.
Ugh. Ugh. Ugh, now I gotta burn the
Gotta
table.
run. Gotta run. You really can't taste it. You just a little extra crunch.